Yes, it's a bear. So, I'm going to tell you some information about the bear. Can you see the screen? Show your thumbs up if you can see the screen. Oh. Yes. Okay. It's a bear. A big, furry bear. Can you see? It's two furry ears. And it has hair all over its body. You know, bears are like large, huge dogs, and they are mammals. Now, what are mammals? Do you know that? Mammals are the ones which give birth to babies. So the bears are having babies, yes, and they feed their babies. They are having hair all over their body, yes. So these are the bears. See, they are having big paws, like we are having hands, we are having feet, and we are having palms. They are having big, big paws. Can you see these paws over here? And these paws are plantigrade. Now, do you know what is plantigrade? Okay, take your palm and you can touch your table or the floor where you're sitting, and you can see whether your palm can fully touch the ground or the floor. No, it doesn't, because it has a curve. Here you can see there is an arch, or when you touch your feet on the ground, we cannot touch the feet fully on the ground because there is an arch in the middle. But bears are having plantigrade paws. When they walk on their feet or when they touch their 4 feet, their whole paws touch the ground. Okay, this is plantigrade paws. Next, see the claws. Look at the claws of the bear. Oh my God, can we count the claws? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like 5 fingers, they are having 5 claws. And they have non-retractile claws. Now, what is non-retractile claws? Few animals, when they feel they are not safe or when they want to attack someone, they can take out their sharp claws from their paws. They can slide down the claws and they can hurt the other animals. But in case of bears, they cannot take or slide down their claws. They're always outside, like in this picture. Okay, in this picture, you can see they are having the claws outside. The claws are very, very sharp. So the bears are having 5 non-retractile claws. See, mama bear. Can you see the mama bear? And it is having so cuddly, cuddly cubs. Oh, you know that baby bears are called as cubs. Yes, but do you know what a mama is called? Mama bears are called. Mama bears are called as sows. And daddy bears are called as boars. Okay, and the babies are called as cubs. Cute, cute cubs. Not all bears like to eat honey. We only know that bears eat honey. No, bears like to eat fruits. Few bears like to eat fish. Few like to eat honey. So, not all bears like to eat only honey. Okay, and they can live up to 30 years. Like dogs can live up to 20 years. The bears can live up to 30 years. Their life is up to 30 years. Now, can you tell me how many different types of bears do you know? Let's see. Okay. Okay. These are the different types of bears. The first one, can you see this black one? It's called the American black bear. What is it called? American black bear. And as you see, they are having such a shiny black fur on them. And they are found in America. Okay. The second one is the polar bears. So in the bear family, the polar bears are the largest bears, the biggest bear in the bear family. So these are the polar bears with white fur. So they cannot be seen in the snow and they live only in the snow. So they are having white fur. The third are the Asiatic bear. See on the left side here, can you see my arrow? These are Asiatic bears. These bears are found in Tibet. Okay. And these bears are having a crescent shape or a moon shape on their chest, a white patch of crescent shape on their chest. Can you see this? See the arrow? Yes? Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, I think some parents are not able to hear clear.
Okay.
So there could be some issues, but we are able to hear it clearly.
Okay.
And so there must be issue at their side.
So parents, there is a setting. There is a setting that the device, you have to select the device, the audio on the device. So that, and I guess most of them are able to hear. Let me check that again. So parents, are you all able to hear the voice? Can you show thumbs up if you are able to hear it? Show thumbs up if you are able to hear it. Very good. Okay. All right, ma'am, continue. We have recorded also. We will share the recording also. Please continue.
Okay. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. So the third are the Asiatic bears. See, can you see my arrow? So these are black bears again, but they have white crescent shape, moon shape patch on their chest, and they are found in Tibet. Okay. So in Tibet, they are called as moon bear of Tibet. Okay. Since they are found in Tibet, they are called moon bear of Tibet. The next is the brown bears. These are commonly found bears. Yes, the grizzly bears, which we call brown bears. Most of the world has brown bears. Okay. The fifth is the giant panda bear. I know you all must know this bear. Okay. This is one of my favorite bears. They are so cute. They look so cute. They found in China and they like to eat bamboo. So bamboo is their favorite food. The sixth one on the right, can you see my arrow? This is the spectacled bear. Now the spectacled bears, can you see, if you see their face and if you see the panda bear's face, they almost look the same. Okay, so they are closely related. They almost look the same. So they are closely related. They are like panda bears. Okay. But these spectacled bears are almost on the way of extinction. They are endangered species, means only a few are left. So these bears are only few are left and they are endangered species. What are they? Endangered species, and they are mostly found in South America. Okay, so these are the spectacled bears. Next, 7. On the left is the sloth bears. Can you see the sloth bear? They are having such a long snout and they are having long furry hair. Okay, so these types of bears are found in India. So if you see a bear in India, they might be of the type of sloth bears. Okay, they are found in India and Sri Lanka. Okay, next are the sun bears. Now you know which is the biggest type of the bear in the bear species. Which is it? It is polar bears. But do you know which is the smallest species in the bear family? These are the sun bears. Just a minute. Yes. Can you see? On this right side is the sun bears. And yes, here. So they also have a crescent shape hair, like golden hair of crescent shape on their chest. Now this is golden color, the golden in color. They are not white. So that is the reason they are called as sun bears. Okay, these are called sun bears, and they are the smallest species in the bear family. The sun bears are the only bears who like to eat honey. So they are honey lovers. The sun bears are the honey lovers. Okay. So these are the different types of bears. Now tell me, we live in house. Yes, we live in our own houses and we are having different rooms in our houses. So similarly, where do the bear live? Can you think? Where does the bear live? Do they live on the tree? Do they live in the water? No, they also live, they also make their own houses and they dig caves. Remember, they are having sharp claws, five on left paw and 5 on right paw, and they are having these sharp claws. So yes, so they live on caves, they live in the caves and they dig their own caves with the sharp claws. If you see the polar bears, what they do, they are having snow everywhere. So they dig the huge mountains of snow and they make their own caves. They build their own caves. And similarly, the brown bears too dig holes in the mountains, in the ground, and they also make their own caves. See, in the first picture, you can see the brown bear with the cubs in the cave and the polar bear inside the snow cave. Now, see the bear's house. How is it? Is it having rooms like us? Yes, it is having. The polar bears, see, look, they are so intelligent. They also make rooms inside their caves. And the innermost room here is given to babies, the cubs, so that they are safe. And outside the baby's room stays the mama. Can you see? Here is the mama. And I will not say mama, now I'll say so. So is sleeping outside and we can see how intelligent she is. She has made a small hole on top of the chamber. What is that for? That is for the air to come in. What will they breathe when they go inside the caves? They should have oxygen, right? So the air comes in and out of this hole and the entrance. This is the tunnel entrance. So they come through this tunnel and they go into their rooms. So this is how they build their own caves. You can see there is one more black bear here, which is inside the cave with the baby, the cub. Okay. Now, do you know bears hibernate? Now, what does hibernation means? Hibernation means the bears go to sleep inside their caves. They build their caves and they go and sleep inside their caves for 5 to 7 months without eating anything, without drinking water. They only go and sleep. And during this time, the sows, the mama bears, give birth to the baby bears or the cubs, and she can take good care of them. So for 7 months, 5 to 7 months, the bears don't eat or drink anything. Wow, they are so wonderful. But where do they get their energy from? Do you know? They have lots of fat inside their body. They store the food inside their body, and that food, they use it when they are hibernating. Okay, so this is a little information about bears. I hope you like this information. Yes, so 8 different types of bears. Yes, and what the bears are having? They are having sharp claws, plantigrade paws, yes, non-retractile claws, and they hibernate. They sleep for 5 to 7 months. Okay, this is a little information about the bears. Now, why do you think I told you the information about the bears? Because we are going to have little fun with this animal. Do you like to come on this fun? On this fun? Yes? Okay. Now, let me tell you a story which is relating to it. Okay?
Thank you, Madhuri ma'am. You have given very nice information.
Thank
It
you,
was
ma'am.
wonderful to hear so many type of bears.
Yes.
All children, did you enjoy listening to this information? Show your thumbs up. Yes. So many types of bears. And now we are going to have a story with a bear. And Madhuri ma'am is going to tell us a beautiful story. I wonder which story she will take. Which story? Who can guess? Come on, everyone, guess which story is it? La 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 na 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 do 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 do. Yes.
Okay. So, it's a story of we are going on a bear hunt. What is the title of the story? It's we are going on a bear hunt. And I want your help when I'm taking this story. Hema ma'am, you also please help me when I'm taking this. So when we are going to walk, I want all of you to make a tapping noise with your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? So this story is written, actually it is retold by Michael Rosen, and it is written and it is illustrated by Helen Oxenbury. Okay, so she has drawn the pictures. Can you see? They are so beautiful. And see the whole family. The baby is also going. The papa is also going. You can see the brother, the sister. They are all going to go and hunt for a bear. They are going to look for the bear. Okay. So.
You're going for a bear hunt?
Yes.
Oh, I am scared.
They are not scared. Can you see the baby scared? It is not scared at all. They are going to have fun. It's an adventurous trip. Okay. So we are going on a bear hunt. And they are going to catch a big bear. And it's a beautiful day outside. It is so beautiful. But they are not scared. They are not scared at all. So they start walking. Doop, 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 doop. Can you all make this noise? Doop, 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 doop. So they keep walking. And, uh-oh, what is this? They came across tall, long, wavy grass. Uh-oh. Now, how shall they go? Can they go over the grass? No. Can they go under the grass? No. So they have to go through the grass. And do you know what sound does the grass makes? Swishy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. Okay. Doop, 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 doop. They're going on a bear hunt. And it's a beautiful day to catch a big bear. Oh, are they scared? No, they are not scared at all. Can you see they are having their doggy also with them? And now, what do they see after crossing the long wavy grass? What do they see? Uh-oh, they see deep, cold river. What do they see? A deep, cold river. Now, how do they go through this? Can they go over the river? No. Can they go under the river? No. Uh-oh, they have to go through the river. They have to swim through the river. And what sound does the water make? Come on, make the sound of dive. Dive. Splash, splosh, splash,
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 splash, splash,
splash,
splash,
splash.
splash.
Oh, it is so cold after coming out of this river. It is so cold. Now, let's walk ahead. See, they are swimming. Can you see them swimming? And the baby is also sitting on Papa's shoulders. Yes, they come out. They are going on a bear hunt. And they are going to catch a big bear. But they are not scared at all. Can you see? Can you see their faces? Are they scared? They are having so much fun. The baby is having fun. The brother, the daddy. But why is the daddy so worried? Can you see? Oh, what does he see? He can see thick, oozy, yucky mud. Oh no, it is oozy mud. What shall we do? Can they go over the mud? No. Can they go under the mud? No. They have to go through the mud. Oh no. What sound does the mud make when you put your legs in the mud? Squelch, 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 squelch. Oh, yucky! It is so dirty. Oh my God! See, they are walking through the mud, and at last they come out and they start walking ahead. To do, to do, to do, to do, to do, to do, to do. They are going on a bear hunt to catch a big bear on a beautiful day. But are they looking scared? No, they're not looking scared. But, oh, what is next? We can see the big dark forest. Oh no, how shall they pass this? Can they go over the forest? No. Can they go under the forest? No, they have to go through the forest. They have to be very careful. What sound will we make when we go through the forest? Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. At last we are out of the forest. But do you all remember the way in which they have come to the forest? First, they had crossed the tall, wavy grass. You remember? Then they had to cross the cold, deep, icy river. Then it was the oozy, yucky mud puddles. Yes? And now they have just crossed the big, dark forest. Now they cannot stop here. We cannot stop here. They are going on a bear hunt to catch a big bear on this beautiful day. But, oh my God, what is this? It's a swirling, whirling snowstorm. Woo! Woo! Now, how do they pass this snowstorm? Can they go over the snowstorm? Can they go under the snowstorm? No. They have to go through the snowstorm. Okay? Now they cannot stop. We have to go. They have to go. So, how do we go through the snowstorm? Woo! Woo! Woo!
You all can also make that sound.
Yes, all of you make these sounds. Woo! And at last, see, they are going through this snowstorm. They're not giving up at all. And they come out of it. Thank God they had carried their jackets. Yes? So they come out of this snowstorm. And now Let's keep walking. Doop, 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 doop. They are going on a bear hunt to catch a big bear on this beautiful day. But now what do they see? Can you tell me what do they see next? Oh, it's a narrow, gloomy cave. Oh my God, what do you think? Can they go over the cave? No. Can they go under the cave? No, they have to go through the cave. So how will they go? They have to be very quiet. Shh. And they have to go very slowly without making any noise. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. All of you can make this sound. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. And they go inside the cave. It is so dark. And what do they see? See, they are inside the cave now. The doggy, mama, daddy, baby, brother, sister, all of them are inside the cave. And what do they see next? They see one wet, shiny nose, two big furry ears, and two big googly eyes. It's a bear! Oh my God, there is a bear inside the cave. Can you see the bear? Oh my God, see? Now they have to run back to their home. How will they go? They have to first quickly get back through the cave. Tiptoe, tiptoe. Do you remember how we came inside the cave? Come on, do the same action. Tiptoe, tiptoe.
Come on, make the sound. Tiptoe, 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 tiptoe,
tiptoe.
make the sound.
And we had come through the cave through the swirling snowstorm. We have to go back through the storm again. Woo! 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 Okay, is the bear behind us? Yes, the bear. Can you see the bear is behind them? Run, 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 run. Oh, we have come across the forest. The big dark forest. Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. Oh, let's go, run, run. And yes, the bear is still following them. Can you see here in the forest, the bear is following them. And it's the mud again, the yucky mud. Come on, fast. What sound did it make? Squelch, 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 squelch. Run, 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 run. Oh, it's the river again. Swim back, dive in in the river. Dive. Splash, 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 splash. Yes, come out of the river quickly. Run, 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 run. Oh, it's the baby tall grass. It's the grass. How did we come through this grass? Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. Run, 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 run. That is the house. Open the door. See, they're opening the door. Get to the front door. Open it. Run upstairs. Oh no, they forgot to close the door. They again come down. Close the door. Doom. Oh, the bear is outside. Run upstairs. Run upstairs. Go to your room. Go to your room quickly and under your covers. See, now they are under their covers. And they are saying they don't want to go on a bear hunt again. We are not going on a bear hunt again. Did you like the story?
Yes.
So now,
wonderful story, ma'am. It was a wonderful story. Ma'am, you unmute yourself. It was a wonderful story, Madhuri ma'am. With so many different sounds. All children, you will have to remember these sounds and play with your craft, right? Ma'am will also be telling craft.
Ma'am, unmute yourself.
Yes. Can you hear, sir? Hello. Hello.
Okay. So, ma'am, can you?
They will enjoy it. Ma'am, it was nice story.
Okay, now we are going to go on this adventurous trip. I want us all to go on this adventurous trip. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Yes? I want all of you. Yes. So I hope you're wearing your shoes. I hope you're wearing your shoes.
विचारते तुला जायचंय का असं फिरायला जायचंय का तुला
Everyone, please mute yourself. Everyone, please mute yourself.
All of you wear your jacket. See, I'm wearing my jacket. I'm ready with my jacket. I'm going to wear my cap. Let us all go for this adventurous trip. Come on, everyone, get up. Get your jackets. I hope you're wearing your shoes too. It is going to be fun. Come on, everyone. We have to make all the sounds that we have learned, okay? Sir, can you see my screen?
Yes,
Yes.
we can see you. Yes.
Okay, maybe it is not dark, right?
No, we are able to see. Maybe you can switch on the lights.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, that's fine.
Yes. See,
Yes.
I'm ready with my jacket. I'm ready with my cap. All of you must be ready with this. Can we start? Hema ma'am, you also please join.
Sure.
Okay, ready? So when we walk, what sound we are going to make? Tup, 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 tup. We are going on a bear hunt. We are going on a bear hunt. Come on, everyone. Walk, march in your place. Yes? We are going on a bear hunt. We are going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We are not scared. Are you scared? No. So, let's go. What do we see? We see tall, wavy grass. Pretend that you are seeing the tall, wavy grass. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We have to go through it. Can you all see? How do we go through the grass? Swish, swash.
Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy.
Ah, we are going on a bear hunt. We are going on a bear hunt. We are going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We are not scared. Are you scared? No. So, what do we see next? Oh, it's the cold river, deep river, the deep cold river. Do you remember? Now, we can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We have to go through the river. Come on, dive in, everyone. Dive. Splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash. We are going on a bear hunt. We are going on a bear hunt. Gonna catch a big
Big
one.
one.
Gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We are not scared. Are you scared? No, we are having so much fun. But, uh-oh, what do we see next? We see the muddle.
Somebody else has shared this.
I think someone has...
Children, please don't share your screen.
So we are going to go.
Just a minute. You'll have to share it again. I will disable.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let's continue. We had swam across the cold river and now we have to go through this oozy, yucky mud. Oh no! How will you go through this oozy mud? Come on. Squelch, 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 squelch. Yes! It is so yucky. Okay, finally we are out of this mud. Come on, everyone. Toop, 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 mud. Toop, 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 toop. You're going on a bear hunt, going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We are not scared. Oh, now what is next? It is the deep, dark forest. Now, we can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We have to go. Oh no, we have to go through the forest. Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. Doop, 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 doop. We are going on a bear hunt. We are going on a bear hunt. Gonna catch a big one. Gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We are not scared. Are you scared? Are you scared? I hope you are not scared. You are so strong and you're so brave. You do exercise every day. Yes? So you are so strong. But, oh no, what is this next? We can see the snowstorm, the swirling, whirling snowstorm. Now, how do we pass this? We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We have to go through the snowstorm. Ooh, ooh. Can you all make this noise? Ooh, ooh. Ah, we are out of this snowstorm. Let's keep going. But do you remember? Do you remember the way in which we have come here? Do you remember? See, for that, I had made this map. Okay, so we had passed the tall, wavy grass. Then we had passed the river. We had passed the mud puddles and the forest and the snowstorm. Now we need to keep going. Come on. Toop, 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 toop. We're going on a bear hunt, going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We are not scared. Are you scared? Now I'm feeling a little scared. Are you scared? No? Okay. So what do we see? We see a dark, narrow, gloomy cave. Oh no, we can't go over it. We can't go under it. How we have to go? We have to go through it. But how do we go? Shh. We are going to go inside the cave. Be quiet. We have to go quietly. Tiptoe, 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 tiptoe. Shh. Don't make noise. I can see 2 furry ears. I can feel wet nose. And I can see 2 googly eyes looking at us. Oh my God, it's a bear! But do you remember? We have to go back home. So now from the cave, we have to go back. Tiptoe, 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 tiptoe. It's the swirling, whirling snowstorm. Woo! 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 Oh my God, look back. It's the bear. Run, 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 everyone. Run, 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 run. Oh, we have come to the forest now. How did we come to the forest? Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. Run, run, run. The bear is behind you. Run, 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 run. Oh no, again it's the yucky muddle. The mud puddle. Squelch, 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 squelch. Run, 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 everyone. It's the cold, deep river again. Oh, it is so cold again. We have to swim through it. Splish, is following you. Run, 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 run. Now it is the tall wavy grass. Do you remember? Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. Run, 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 run. Go to your house. Go to your house. Open the door. Open the door. Yes. Now go inside. Go upstairs. Tuk, 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 tuk. Now, oh no, you left the door open. Go back. Close the door. Close the door and come back. And run upstairs. Run to your house. Run to your room. Run, 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 run. And go under your blanket. Cover yourself with your blanket. Everyone cover yourself. Oh, cover, cover, cover. The bear is outside your house. Oh. Now, do you want to go on a bear hunt again? What do you feel now?
No, we don't want to go. Wow, what a wonderful story. Everyone clap for Madhuri ma'am. Come on. It was wow.
So for this adventurous trip, you can go again with your mama and daddy. Okay? But do you know when you go on an adventurous trip or when you go to a new place, what do you need? Do you know? So like Dora is an explorer. Do you all watch Dora? I know you must be watching Dora. You know, you must be knowing Dora. She's an explorer, right? So what does she need? If she's going to an unknown place, she has to have her map. Do you remember? I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map. So you need to have a map when you go to a place where you're going it for the first time, right? So you need to know the path, how you're going through. Yes? So the same way, I have made this map and you can also make this map with me. Are you ready? All of you, are you ready?
Show your thumbs up if you are ready. Come on. All material, please gather all the material, Fevicol
Yes.
or your cutouts, and we will make a map.
Yes. So you can make this map and you can again go for a bear hunt with your mama and daddy. Okay? So you can remember how we had gone to the cave and we had come back from the cave again to our house. Okay?
Ma'am, show the
So-
map properly on the camera.
Yes. Yes. Can you see? Actually, I'm
Yeah,
not-
little far so that whole map can be.
Yeah.
The grass is not visible, house is not visible.
Actually, I'm not able to see my screen.
Little up,
Just
little up,
just
little up.
little bit up.
Move upwards.
Yes, it's a little bit more.
Furthermore, little more.
That's fine.
We cannot see the house. Little up.
Okay.
House is still not visible, ma'am.
Take it little far from
Yes,
the
little
camera.
far.
Same height, just be
Yes.
far actually.
Yeah,
Yes,
here
yes.
we can see. See, the whole craft is there.
So you
If I
gotta.
could see my screen, sir, because
Yeah,
there's so many parents, I'm lost.
We can see it. Yeah.
Children, you can see. So in this manner, we have to stick, or ma'am, right now you
Yes,
will
ma'am.
make. We will
Yes,
make
we
them
will make one craft. I'll just show you. Hope you're all ready with your cutouts. If you're not ready with your cutouts, you can even draw it. Okay, if you're having a empty paper, plain paper, you can draw it. Okay. Yes. Now I can see my screen, so I can show you. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So I have made the cutouts ready. If you want, I can stick it also, so that you can see. I'll just adjust my screen.
Yes, it is visible.
The paper.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
So I have made the cutouts. If you have the cutouts ready, you can stick the cutouts and then you can color it, or you can directly color on the plain paper. If you're not ready with your cutouts, that is also fine. You can take a plain paper and you can have your crayons, pencils, and you can color it. Okay. So the first one was, do you remember where we started? Do you remember? We started from our house. Yes. So we will first take the house. in the corner. Stick the house. So this is my house. I had made a cutout. So first stick the house. You can also draw it or you can color it. Can you see the screen? Can you see my screen? Okay, now next. Do you remember after leaving the house, where did we go first? We had to cross the tall, wavy grass. Yes? And so we will stick the grass. Okay? So little bit far from your house, you can stick little grass. Again, if you don't have cutout, color it. Okay, you can also imagine how the grass will be. Yes? It can be green, it can be yellowish green, it can be dark green. So many shades of green. Can you see the grass? Yes? I hope you have done till here. Shall we go ahead or shall we stop for a minute? So do you remember when we were going through this tall grass, what sound did it make? Do you remember? Think. Yes, it was swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. So if parents want, they can write these words near the grass. That is what I did so that we can remember it. Okay, so here you can write swishy, swashy. Okay. Now think, do you remember after passing the tall grass, where did we go? What did we see next? It was the deep, cold river. Oh my God, we have to swim through the river, yes? So here I'm just going to draw a river. And then again, you can give beautiful shadings of water. Blue, dark blue, light blue shades. Yes, so our river is ready. And how did we go through this river? Do you remember? We had to swim through the river. Yes, so it was very cold and we had to swim. And what sound did it make? It made the sound splash, splosh, splash, splosh. So if parents are close by, you can write down these sounds. Okay, so we can connect this with the path in the end. Let us stick it, so then we will connect it with the path later. So after the river, what was next? It was the mud. Do you remember? Yucky mud. Do you like to play in mud? It is really nice actually if you like to play in mud. It is a beautiful sensory activity. So if you are having actual mud, if you are having pots at home, you can also stick this wet mud. So it will be one of the sensory. Actually, all of this craft also can be made sensory. That is what I read in one of the articles. So you can have a tub or small tray of water, actual water, real water. And you can have grass, actual real grass, which is stuck to the craft. and then mud again. Yes, wet mud you can stick. So it will be a sensory activity too. You can make a 3D model also. I was planning to do that, but I did not get time. But you can plan a 3D model. You can take an empty tray and you can make this whole model in it. Okay. So we will have the mud. So we'll stick here. Since we have to stick all the things, you make place, keep place for the rest of the things. Okay. So mud. And do you remember the sound? What sound did it make when we were passing through the mud? When we were walking through the mud, what sound did it make? It was squelch, 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 squelch. Yes, so I have written the sounds over there. So parents can write it down later for reference. Then we had to go through the deep, dark forest. It was so dark. Were you scared of animals when you were going through the forest? Are you scared of animals? We should not be. You know why? Because if you don't hurt them, they will not come close to you. If they feel that they are not safe, then only they will hurt you. Otherwise, they will not hurt you. So don't be scared when you're passing through the forest. Enjoy the beauty of the forest. Okay? The beautiful, colorful nature. So we will stick the forest. So color your cutout, or if you don't have your cutout, you can draw trees. You can imagine how the tree looks like, and then you can draw beautiful trees. Okay? So trees. So this is the forest through which we had passed. Do you remember what sound did it make when we were passing through the forest? Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. So let me write it down. Stumble, trip. Okay. So we have passed the dark forest. Now next, what was it? Do you remember? It was the twirling, whirling snowstorm. It was so cold when we were passing through it. Yes. Thank God we carried our jackets. Yes, with us. So we will stick some cotton. Now this is the cotton we will stick. You must have got the cotton also. So we will stick little bit cotton. So a snowstorm is ready. And do you remember what sound did a snowstorm make? Ooh, ooh. So we will write down the sound as well. Okay. And last, where did we come? We came near a dark, narrow, gloomy cave. Do you remember the cave? It was narrow. So for this cave, you can draw the cave with stones. So the shapes of the stone, it can be any shape. So you can draw the cave, okay, with your pencil, or if you are having crayons, you can directly draw it also. Okay.
Come on, everyone is doing. Cave is ready. Everyone's cave is ready.
I can
Show
see.
your craft. Come on, everyone.
Wow, I think Aryan is already almost ready with this craft. Okay, good. So the cave is there. Now you want to draw a bear, you can draw a bear inside the cave. Okay, you can imagine how the bear looks like and you can draw the bear. So now let us connect all these places with the path. Path is a way in which we followed it. Okay, so you can take a black marker, or if you're having a black sketch pen, or if you're having a black crayon, you need to just draw. So let us start. From house, we went to the grass. So with the dots, see? Yes, we went through the grass. Now, after the grass,
Sound we will make at the grass. What sound parents
yes.
make? What sound?
What sound did it
You need
make?
to make?
Swishy, swashy. Swishy, swashy.
Swishy.
Yes. Then we went through the river. And what sound did the water make? Splash, splosh, splash, splosh, splash, splosh. Yes. Then after coming out of the river, we went through the oozy mud. Yucks. So it is the mud. I don't like mud. So, so I make this sound, but mud is really good to play as a sensory thing. So this is mud. And the sound which we make when we pass through the mud is squelch, 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 squelch. Okay. So when you come out, we go through the dark forest. Okay, and the sound which we had made when we passed through the forest was stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. Okay. The next was the snowstorm, whirling snowstorm. Woo, woo, woo. And after passing the snow, we went to the cave. So when we make this map, when we are getting back from the cave to our house, it will be easy to remember. Yes. So the maps are really helpful when we want to go to a place and come back from that place. Yes. So now we are having navigators. The maps are on our phones, mama's phones. Yes. When you want to go to a new place, you generally start the navigator in your mobile, right? And then you just follow the instructions. So this is the map. You can also draw the map of from your house to school. You can think about it. You can draw different maps now. Okay. You can draw a map from your house to your dadi's house. Yes, you must be missing them. You did not go for your vacation, so you can draw a map from your house to your dadi, nani's place, or your friend's house, or your school. So in this way, you can make your maps. Okay? All of you complete your craft.
Okay, and we will be waiting for a map from your home to your school, or your home to your grandma's house, Dadiji's house. Okay, so maybe if it is somewhere in Gujarat, then you can draw the cities in between, right?
Yes, yes.
Wow, what a wonderful homework. Very good.
Hope you all enjoyed. Actually, I'm happy to see all of you after a long time. All the happy smiling faces.
It was a wonderful craft and wonderful story. Thank you very much,
So
Madhuri
listen to
ma'am.
this.
Yes.
Should
Thank
we
you.
play the poem, ma'am? You want to play the song?
You want to sing it? You want me to sing it again?
Or play the
Sir is saying that shall we
the
play it on the audio and we can do the actions?
Yes, yes, we can do that.
Okay, everyone get up. Everyone get up at your places.
So shall I start it on YouTube? Or
yeah, if you have it, or I can please start it on the YouTube. Right.
So this one is a nice one.
Should I share or you have it?
Sir, I'm starting. You just tell me if you can hear. I don't know if any setting is required, but I have opened it. You can just check.
No, ma'am, I will share. You're not
Okay.
able to hear it.
Not audible? Okay.
I'll share in a minute.
Ma'am, we will just start the audio, but action we will do.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Huh?
Yes, yes.
Play it, but audio changes. Okay. We'll all get up and do the action. Children, all stand up. Come on.
One. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh. Grass. Long wavy grass.
Come on,
We
action.
can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no. We've got to go through it. Going on a bear hunt, we're gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, a river, a deep, cold river. Can't go over it, can't go under it. Oh no, we got to go through it. Dive in. Splash. Splash. Going on a bear hunt, we're gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh. Mud. Thick, oozy mud. Can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we got to go through it. Squelch, squirt. Squelch, squirch. Going on a bear hunt, go catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, a forest, a big dark forest. We can't go over it, we can't go under it. Oh no, we got to go through it. Stumble, trip, trip, stumble, trip. Choo-choo, choo, 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 choo. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh. A snowstorm. A swirling, whirling snowstorm. Can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we got to go through it. Going on a bear hunt, we're gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, a cave. A narrow, gloomy cave. Can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we got to go through it. What's that? One shiny wet nose. Two big furry ears. Two big goggly eyes. It's a bear! Quick, back to the cave. Tiptoe, 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 back through the snowstorm. Back through the forest. Stumble, trip, stumble, trip. Back through the mud. Squelch, squelch. Through the river, dive in. Splash. Through the grass. Swish, 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 swish. Down the road, up to our front door. Open the door, up the stairs. Tuk, 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 tuk. Oh no, we forgot to shut the door. Back downstairs. Tuk, 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 tuk. Door. Long passage, into the bedroom, into bed, under the covers. We're not going on a bear hunt again.
Going on a bear hunt.
Wonderful, Madhuri ma'am. Wonderful. Today we really enjoyed.
Even I enjoyed, ma'am.
Let
All
me
right.
unmute everyone. All get thank you if you like it, ma'am. Good. Now you can all show your craft. Everyone can show their craft. Very good. Come on, show.
She very nice. Chetan, very nice, Chetan.
Yeah.
Good job. Good job.
Very good.
Yes, very nice.
Wonderful.
Yes, wow. So nice. Creative artist. Bye, Romil, very nice. Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you very much.
Don't forget to send the map to school, okay, from your house. Try to do this map.
Yes, and thank you very much, ma'am. It was wonderful session. When are you
Thank you,
taking
ma'am.
again?
Ma'am, soon, soon I will try to take again.
Good, good. Okay, children, thank you very much. Let's say bye to Madhuri ma'am. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you soon.
Bye-bye. Bye.
निशान ने भी क्या आप करोगे बोलो बाय
Thank you.